Imagine a classroom where every student feels seen, heard, and valued. This is the promise of universal design in education. It's about creating learning environments that work for everyone, regardless of their abilities, backgrounds, or learning styles. Traditional classrooms often use a one-size-fits-all approach. For too long, we have ignored the research and reverted to the comfort of complacency, instead of leaning into the science that shows how a proper learning environment can maximize each learner's abilities. Universal design recognizes each individual's needs and supports their potential. It designs to the edges, not the average. This is the basis of the ECLPS program through Edmarket. ECLPS is a new comprehensive and research-informed certification program to elevate the learning experience of school districts and industry professionals tasked with planning, managing, and designing learning environments of the future. It starts with the understanding that everyone learns differently. Some students learn best by seeing, others by hearing, and still others by doing. Some students thrive in quiet environments, while others need more stimulation. Universal design takes all of these differences into account. It is not about lowering standards. It's about raising expectations for all students. It's about providing every student with the opportunity to succeed by creating learning environments that are accessible, engaging, and relevant to all learners. Changing norms is always a challenge. When starting a new project, it is best to analyze your current institution's strengths and weaknesses and determine how to create an environment that meets the learners, educators, and community goals. It's about removing barriers that prevent students from participating fully in the learning process. Using an empathy map and a SOAR analysis can help find your institution's North Star goal. Each learner's strengths and weaknesses must be considered. Optimal learning only happens when a learner is comfortable and feels safe. Seeing, hearing, natural light, nature, ergonomics, flexibility, collaboration, temperature control, fresh air, and a healthy breakfast all add to optimal learning. Universal design is about creating a holistic learning environment that supports all learners. It means fostering a sense of belonging for all students, regardless of their race, ethnicity, gender identity, sexual orientation, or socioeconomic status. Technology is crucial in creating accessible and inclusive learning environments, but it is just one piece of the puzzle. When we design for everyone, we create a better learning experience for all. This includes everything from the physical space to the teaching methods and classroom culture. Traditional teaching methods often rely heavily on lectures and textbooks, but these methods don't work for everyone. Universal design encourages teachers to use a variety of teaching methods to reach all learners. This might include project-based learning, hands-on activities, group work, technology-based instruction, and hybrid classrooms. When the look of the classroom changes, so must the teaching methods. It's also about providing students with choices. Professional development for teachers is the key to the success of dynamic learning environments. Nothing will change if the teaching methods don't match the new collaborative learning environment. When students have choices, they are more likely to be engaged and motivated. Universal design also emphasizes the importance of differentiation. This means tailoring instruction to meet the individual needs of each student. Some students may need more support, while others may need more challenge. Differentiation allows teachers to meet students where they are and help them grow. By using flexible teaching methods, providing choices, and differentiating instruction, teachers can create a learning environment that is responsive to the needs of all learners. This approach ensures that every student has the opportunity to succeed. Learning is not just about absorbing information. It's about making connections, solving problems, and applying knowledge in meaningful ways. Universal design recognizes the importance of creating learning environments that are engaging and relevant to all students. One way to increase engagement is to make learning hands-on and experiential. When students are actively involved in the learning process, they are more likely to be interested and invested. This might involve using simulations, experiments, field trips, or guest speakers. Another important aspect of engagement is relevance. Students are more likely to be engaged when they can see the connection between what they are learning and their own lives. Teachers can make learning more relevant by connecting lessons to current events, students' interests, or real-world problems. Creating a welcoming and inclusive learning environment is also essential for engagement. This means fostering a classroom culture where all students feel safe, respected, and valued. It means creating a space where students feel comfortable taking risks, asking questions, and sharing their ideas. Students who feel a sense of belonging are likelier to thrive. This encourages kindness, care for the school property, and an understanding that we are all part of a community that needs each other to prosper. The future of learning, universal design as the new normal. Universal design is not just a trend, it is where school projects should begin. It's a fundamental shift in the way we think about education. It's about moving away from a one-size-fits-all approach to learning and embracing the unique needs of each individual student. As we move forward, it is essential that we continue to embrace the principles of universal design in all aspects of education. This includes everything from the physical design of schools and classrooms to the development of curriculum and assessments to the training of teachers. By making universal design the new normal in education, we can create a more equitable and inclusive learning environment for all students, ensuring that every child has the opportunity to reach their full potential. The future of learning is one where all students are empowered to succeed, regardless of their abilities, backgrounds, or learning styles. It is time for a change.